All right, White Street and Broad Street. That's where we're at right now. Red Bank in his house. 2026. Almost there. We're unofficially in summer. Unofficially. Welcome to the boardwalk. Unofficially, because Memorial Day is past. So once you pass Memorial Day, you're unofficially not technically in summer, but it's like summer. Welcome to the boardwalk. Let's stroll. Super cool. Super cool down here.
So we, like, you should put some overhead line.
Hit the wrong button on the little big guy. There we go.
Take that.
Such a great day to be out here. Good times in Red Bank. Everybody's having a good time out here. The food smells great. Great family spot right here. Got a lot of great restaurants. Music shop. Ale house. Yeah, we got the Robinson's Ale House, Jack's Music Shop, Char Steakhouse right here. We got a Starbucks on the corner. Like, they got a lot of stuff here. Brooks Brothers. They got clothing spots. They got food, bistro. All kinds of stuff here. Very nice. Definitely great spot, Red Bank.
Bring them everywhere. There's no way they come out
Coney waffles and ice cream. They got the Coney ice cream here. That's a popular one.
I saw your
Boardwalk Pedestrian Plaza. Thank you for walking your wheels. So yeah, this is the walking street right here for the summer. I didn't see this in the fall. And yeah, so they must open it maybe all summer. This is awesome. This is super cool. So yeah, this could be a spot for us to come and visit once in a while for sure. This is a great walking spot for sure. There's a lot going on around here. So good old Red Bank. in his house.
Yeah, we do, but we split up what we get in cash, and then we'll get the rest of
Red Bank Chocolate Shop. Wow, pretty cool. They got their own chocolate here. And the water's down here. Let's take a walk. Yeah, they got a lot of nice restaurants down here. It's a very Irish bar like vibe here. They got Irish spots like the Robinson Ale House right there. As you see, there's some Irish bars around here. Quite a few. Very Irish vibe. Which I think is pretty cool. I like the Irish vibe. Paradiddle Griddle. Is that what it's called? Yeah, Paradiddle Griddle. Nice. Like paradise, paradiddle, I guess. Griddle. Very cool, interesting name. It makes you want to try it, you know? Restaurant Rudiments? Restaurant Rudiments. Very cool. Definitely makes you want to try the food. So down there, I'm looking that way. So we're not going to go all the way into behind the building there. But we have Boat Club Lane. Let's take a walk down there, see what's down there. Boat Club Lane. And they got a lot of like shore time kind of bars here. Like a garage door, which is kind of cool. Check it out. It's like a garage door. Wow, pretty cool. Like a garage door. So Boat Club. I'm not sure if we can go down there or not. There's a lot of police coming up. I don't know why. Uh-oh, something serious is going on. They're running. Uh-oh. Something serious is going on here. Oh no. Whoa! The cop. Something happened. Oh no. What happened?
I think you don't know yet.
You stole something?
To do with this guy though.
Yeah. I was wondering about that. 212. Yeah, maybe it could be some shoplifting. I don't know. Could be. Wow. Hard to say. Hopefully nothing crazy. Red Bank. Anywhere you go, there could be something going on, everyone. So yeah, let's stroll. I hope the guy's okay. I hope he didn't do anything wrong.
You know what he did?
I don't know. No. I don't know. So I guess the owner might have called. I'm just guessing. Yeah, something happened. Okay, something happened there. Doesn't look like anybody got hurt, so that's a good thing. At least that's a plus. Okay, so we're not gonna. Are we gonna stroll that way? Let's stroll that way.
You should arrest the guy singing. It's my fault.
He's next.
Oh no! Don't see.
The guy singing's next, right? That guy was fun. I like these wise guys. Pretty cool. pretty wild. Only in Red Bank.